Good evening, everybody. We'd like to do a Gordon Lightfoot song from the mid-60s, and it's called Early Morning Rain. We hope you enjoy it. Thank you. In the early morning rain, with $1 in my hand, with an aching in my heart, and my pockets full of sand, I'm a long, long way from home, and I miss my loved ones so. In the early morning rain, with no place to go, out on runway number 9, 707 said to go, but I'm stuck here in the grass where the cold wind blows. Now the liquor tasted good, and the women all were fast. Well, there she goes, my friend, she's rolling down at last. Hear the mighty engines roar, see the silver bird on high. She's away westward bound, far above the clouds she flies, where the morning rain don't fall, and the sun always shines. She'll be flying o'er my home in about 3 hours' time. This old airport's got me down, no earthly good to me, 'cause I'm stuck here on the ground, cold and drunk as I can be. You can't jump a jet plane like you can a freight train, so I best be on my way in the early morning rain. You can't jump a jet plane like you can a freight train, so I best be on my way in the early morning. Rain. Thank you, everybody. Have a beautiful evening.